everybody. I'm so excited to be coming to you from Alaska. No, this is Oklahoma. It snowed. Yes. Hey everybody, Stacy Hesser here, your favorite realtor in all of Southern Oklahoma. Yes, it's true. I'm still in Southern Oklahoma. I'm really not sure what happened to Mother Nature. I think she's a little lost, but whatever. We do what we got to do here. Occasionally, it's all right. We need a variety, or else we just take sunshine, for granted, right? But seriously, so we're in the first week of February, and here we are. We've got snow. Almost a year ago to the day, we had a serious deep freeze come down, and it stayed below freezing for 2 weeks, which I'm pretty sure broke some records for us. But more importantly, it actually went below zero. I actually took out our drone. We got quite a bit of snow, and I went out to Turner Falls to go check that out. So, I'm really sorry it took me a year to post this. But to be honest, I was just so over the weather that when it was finally time for me to post it, I was like, I'm done with this. But here we are. I'm really excited to share it. There's just some beautiful footage, so I hope you enjoy it. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that little tour of Turner Falls. It's not far from Ardmore. It's maybe about a half hour north of us, and there's a really cool swimming hole there that's really popular in the summertime. There is an entrance fee. It is a park that's actually managed by the city of Davis, and I'll be sure to have all of their link to that information below in the description. So if you have any questions about any of that stuff, be sure to check it out. It really is an amazing little facility there. So I hope you enjoy, but until the next time, bye.